Hello, I'm Belek, and in this video, I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about the planets. Sit back, grab a snack, and let's go. The largest, Jupiter. It is so massive that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. Its famous Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has been raging for hundreds of years and is larger than Earth itself. The smallest, Mercury. It is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. The hottest, Venus. Although Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus holds the record for the highest surface temperature, around 475 degrees Celsius. This is due to its dense atmosphere of carbon dioxide, which creates an incredible greenhouse effect. The coldest, Uranus. It, not the more distant Neptune, holds the record for the lowest temperature in its atmosphere, -224 degrees Celsius. Neptune. Winds on Neptune are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Interestingly, since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has completed only one full orbit around the Sun. Its year lasts 165 Earth years. It celebrated its first birthday since its discovery only in 2011. Mercury. Its day from sunrise to sunrise is longer than its year. One orbit around the Sun takes 88 Earth days, while one rotation on its axis takes about 59 Earth days.